Hi, my name is Mariah Starnes, and here is my introduction video for Module 1. My current position is one of the two elementary art teachers at USD 428, which is Great Bend, Kansas, right smack dab in the middle. And I happen to also be an art on the cart teacher here, which means I go through 5 different schools in our district with a cart full of art supplies to each class that I go to. And I have see everyone from kinder to 6th grade at all 5 elementary schools here. My most influential person in my life, I would say, are my high school art teachers. I've had them through middle and high school, so that's a lot of years to invest in someone. They were very important to me. They were always there to listen. They helped me find my love for art and really helped me grow in that area and as a person as well. So I owe a lot to them. So much that I also became an art teacher due to them. My results for my personality test were not surprising. Um, So a little embarrassing, but definitely not surprising. I scored high in agreeableness and intellect and imagination. So I do think that I am friendly and I am optimistic. I'm kind of bubbly when it comes to being around the students and their art and talking to them and the imagination part along with being an artist and going to school for art and teaching it as well. I scored low in emotional stability and extroversion. I love to just sit at home and hang out with my family or watch Netflix. So usually going out to big events or things like that, have this sort of an anxiety about it, like Super Bowl parties or birthday parties or just everything feeling to need to be perfect. I'd rather just avoid things to just play it safe. Um, which two leadership skills that I aligned to out of the 15 that we kind of had to research about. I feel that I am part of the leader member and the authentic leadership theories, kind of what I align to. So for the leader member roles, I noticed that I do use during the class in the classroom setting. So there's role taking, which is me looking for the students that I know I can kind of lean on when I'm having to assist so many others. So either I can have them pass out things, I can trust them to not destroy materials because that definitely costs money and can be chaotic. Give them jobs through the role making, so knowing that someone's being responsible, attentive to certain requests or responsibilities, I know they can are my go-to people. And also the making a routine of what we do in class. They know that I come in, I set up, we talk about what we're going to be doing that day, we pass out supplies, we start making, creating, and then packing up, cleaning up, and me heading to a next class. So they know we have 40 minutes, and that's obviously not a whole lot of time, but we have to get as much as we can done at that time. And then for the authentic leadership theory, I feel like I'm self-aware of myself and I'm authentic with the kids. If the way I act in class, they'll see me acting the same way, like at Walmart or try to be friendly and outgoing with kids. I feel like I connect a little better with children than I do with adults. So that's why I teach elementary art. They're very young and they're energetic, and I love their energy. Wish I had that most of the time. Um, Focusing on the long terms as well. I want them to be educated. I want them to know their theories, color theories, and knowing how to create something, how to use a ruler. Be surprised at how many kids don't quite understand how to use that in school or just helping them fall in love with art the way I did growing up through elementary, middle, and college. So just, yeah. I do think that the two leadership theories that I chose do align with my personality test with the leader member theory. Um, you want to keep the troops happy, and so I feel like that would be part of the, as myself wanting to be agreeable, or the agreeableness part of the personality test. Just not wanting to really rock the boat, I guess, unless it needs to, um, and just being very careful and diligent and get creative with being the one person with 20 plus kids in a classroom to utilize um, the help or the good kids that can help during that as well. So that's all that I can think of. Sorry for rambling. I'm excited for this class. So I will be talking to everyone, I guess, next week. So thank you for listening. Have a good evening.